Hello students, the topic which we are going to study today is the tropical rainforest. Just have a look on this diagram. This is the globe. As you can see these latitudinal lines, this is Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Tropical rainforest is located in the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn near the equator. This 4,800 kilometer wide band is called as tropic. The countries where these forests are found are South America, Africa, Australia, Southern East Asia, which includes Southern India. These forests are very dense, warm and wet. The summer temperature ranges between 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, accompanied with heavy rainfall. Different type of vegetation and various type of animals are found here. So to avoid competition for food, the animals confine themselves to different layers of the forest. Common examples are monkey, apes, gorilla, lion, tiger, elephant, snakes, bird, insect. These are the animals which are found in the tropical rainforest. Animals of tropical rainforest. These animals have some physical features because of which they are able to live in this forest. Monkey. Monkey have long tails which help them to hold the branches. They have hands and feet. This also help in grabbing the branches of the tree. Tigers, cheetah, zebra, spotted deer, etc. are some animals having sharp eyesight, sensitive hearing and thick colored skin. Their skin color is camouflage as it helps them blend with the surrounding and hunt the prey or protect themselves from the predator. Elephant. Elephants are the largest animals found in the tropical forest of India and Africa. They have large ears with a keen sense of hearing. Ears also help in keeping them cool. The most obvious adaptation is its trunk, which is basically a elongated nose. Their trunk help them in breathing, feeding, smelling, drinking, lifting loads, grasping and defense. Elephant also developed modified teeth called tusk. They use them to tear the bark of the branches. Another animal is lion-tailed macaw. These are the old world monkey which lives only in the Western Ghat of South India. They spend most of its time on branches of the tree and is adapted to grasp the branches with its hand and muscular tails. The fur of this monkey is dark brown or black in color and a silver white hair surrounds the head from the cheek down the chin. They eat or they feed on fruits, seeds, flowers, leaves and some insects. Red-eye frogs. These frogs mostly live on the branches of the trees and are also known as tree frogs. They are bright green in color with pale yellow stripes, which help them to Camouflage. It has a powerful legs. Its feet have a suction cup on its toe that stick to the tree. Most noticeable part of these frog is the red eye. Toucan. Toucan is a type of bird, lives in the tropical rainforest. This bird flies around the Central and South America rainforest. These are the most noisiest jungle bird. The colorful beak is very light and long. This beak helps the bird to reach the fruits on branches of the tree. Thank you.